Hello everyone, this is my first video on my YouTube channel, Kids Begin. In this channel, I will teach variety of learning activities for the kids, and along with that, I will also teach easy art and craft activities. Today, I am going to teach how to construct capital uppercase letters with the help of paper strips, which kids will really enjoy. But first, let us read the 26 capital uppercase letters of the English alphabet: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now we will keep only the letters which are made up of different patterns of lines. So these are the capital uppercase letters that are made up of different patterns of lines: A, E, F, H, I, K, M, N, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. So here we can see the different patterns of lines made up of colorful strips of paper. These are the standing lines, these are the sleeping lines, and these are the slanting lines. So come, let us construct the capital uppercase letters with the help of these colorful paper strips. This is capital uppercase letter A. To make this letter, we need two slanting lines and one sleeping line. Come, let us make the letter with the help of the paper strips. This is one slanting line, this is another slanting line, and this is one sleeping line in the middle across the slanting lines. See, letter A is ready. This is capital uppercase letter E. To make this letter, we need one standing line and three sleeping lines. Come, let us make it. One standing line, one sleeping line at the top, another sleeping line in the middle, and another sleeping line at the bottom. See, letter E is ready. This is capital uppercase letter F. To make this letter, we need one standing line and two sleeping lines. Come, let's make it. One standing line, one sleeping line at the top, and one sleeping line in the middle. Letter F is ready. This is capital uppercase letter H. To make this letter, we need two standing lines and one sleeping line. Come, let us make it. One standing line, another standing line, and one sleeping line in the middle across the standing lines. See, letter H is ready. This is capital uppercase letter I. To make this letter, we need one standing line and two sleeping lines. Come, let us make it. One standing line, one sleeping line at the top, another sleeping line at the bottom. See, our capital uppercase letter I is ready. This is capital uppercase letter K. To make this letter, we need one standing line and two slanting lines. Come, let us make it. One standing line, one slanting line from the middle top, another slanting line from the middle to the right bottom. See, letter K is ready. This is capital uppercase letter M. To make this letter, we need 2 standing lines and 2 slanting lines. Come, let us make it. One standing line here, one slanting line here, another slanting line here, and this is another standing line. See, letter M is ready. This is capital uppercase letter N. To make this letter, we need 2 standing lines and 1 slanting line. Come, let us make it. This is 1 standing line. This is 1 slanting line. And this is another standing line. See, letter N is ready. This is capital uppercase letter T. To make this letter, we need 1 standing line and 1 sleeping line. Come, let us do it. This is 1 standing line and this is 1 sleeping line at the top. See, letter T is ready. This is capital uppercase letter V. To make this letter, we need 2 slanting lines. Come, let's make it. This is 1 slanting line this side, another slanting line this side. See, letter V is ready. This is capital uppercase letter W. To make this letter, we need 4 slanting lines. Come, let's do it. 1 slanting line here, another slanting line here. Here is another slanting line. And this is another slanting line. See, letter W is ready. This is capital uppercase letter X. To make this letter X, we need 2 slanting lines. Come, let's do it. This is 1 slanting line. And this is the other slanting line. Cutting the first slanting line in the middle. X is ready. This is capital uppercase letter Y. To make this letter Y, we need 2 slanting lines and 1 standing line. Come, let us do it. This is 1 slanting line. This is another slanting line here. And this is 1 standing line. See, letter Y is ready. This is capital uppercase letter Z. Come, let us make the letter Z with the help of 1 slanting line and 2 sleeping lines. This is 1 sleeping line at the top, 1 slanting line down towards the left, and this is the other sleeping line at the bottom. See, letter Z is ready. I hope you have learned how to construct the capital uppercase letters with the help of different colorful paper strips used as lines. Please like and share my video, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and to click the bell icon to get further notifications whenever I upload a new video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.